Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop an Animoto video. If you want to keep on playing same video for a while, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Animoto app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap onto the My Videos option right here. Now select one video that you want to play on the loop. Then tap onto three dot lines. Then tap onto play button right here. Now tap onto play option right here. Now see, the video will be played on the loop itself. You don't need to do anything now. You can just simply see the video on loop. And that's it. This is how you can loop an Animoto video. It is very easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.